The event today was comprised of students, young entrepreneurs, established entrepreneurs that were in the process of starting their business and expanding their business and looking for other ways and opportunities to expand their business and take it to the next level.
There's a lot of people that have creativity, and what we try to do is encourage them to take that creativity and formulate it into entrepreneurship. So we got together and we gathered together some of the top entrepreneurs of the city to show them what they went through, the experiences that they had. Our theme is dream it, believe it, plan it, make it happen, and they articulated all that.
We have highly successful people. You know, we have attorneys at Curtis Floyd. We have motivational speakers as Mr. Crawford, and we also had people represented from the insurance agency, real estate. We've had people that talk about marketing and branding, and so you can identify yourself, your business, and how you want to expand your business, how you want your business to grow.
The message I gave today was speaking on about dreaming. So people having dreams and setting goals for themselves. So that's what I was asked to talk about, was to be able to set the dream, and dream big was basically my message. Dream big or don't dream at all. So I think if you're going to get involved in something or decide to be an entrepreneur, you have to go all in. You know what I mean? Don't give it a halfway effort. Go hard or go home is what I think people should do whenever they're going to get in business.
Well, as a motivational speaker, my job is to create content, both written and spoken content. And I like to say I try to create content that's designed to make you a little bit taller. And that's an acronym, TALLER, which stands for I want to make people think, act, laugh, learn, and excel, and reflect on what it is that they can start doing right now, not tomorrow, not later, but right now, to start taking some progressive steps in a direction to achieving the results that they want.
I was here today to talk about dreams and goals, because I realized that you can realize your dreams. But the most important thing I wanted to share with those that were listening, because sometimes people get disenchanted based on how other people see them. I wanted them to know it matters not how other people see you, but what is important is how you see yourself.
Most people think Bakersfield is small. Bakersfield is actually the 52nd largest city in the whole United States. You know what I mean? So there's a lot of people here, and I think as entrepreneurs that people need to take opportunity and grow, and decide to grow something for themselves, and not just say, hey, I want to work for somebody forever. They say, you know what, I want to scout on my own, and say, you know what, I want to go out there and start my own business, be my own boss, and be able to give back not only to the community, but be able to grow something and build something for your family. I think business is all about leaving a legacy, and if you're working for yourself, you can leave a legacy to pass on to the next generation.
It's hard work. A lot of people want to just stand on faith. We have faith walkers, but they don't put to work with it. So I wanted them to know, sure, it's good to have faith in God, but you have to have faith in yourself if you want to make it in these difficult times. And I wanted them to know it's not easy, but it has to be something that you want. You have to see it before you see it. You have to feel it to know that you can do it. And your circumstances should never dictate what you see for yourself.
It felt very obtainable seeing people just like, me, just regular people, maybe started off with nothing, becoming big time, So it was really good seeing that.
It's very inspiring. I took a lot of notes. I will recommend this for other people because you will learn a lot and your life will be changed.
This is a yearly event, and each year it gets bigger, it gets better, and it's going to provide a wealth of information to all the ethnic groups, not just black, but all the ethnic groups, here in Kern County, to realize that, they can start their business, they can thrive in their business, they can survive, and they can grow their business.
This was an awesome event. As it grows, it will continue to have more people on this panel. I'm sure that it's going to be designed to actually give you some life-changing information. And I've always heard that, hey, if you're going to go through a minefield, you need to find somebody already been through it and follow them and stay at a good distance behind them just in case something blows up. So, which means that find somebody that you're there, and you can find that here. Find somebody that's already done what you did. You can find that here. So if you haven't come to the last one, you missed something special. Get to the next one, no excuses.